learned that it is important to learn about safety maritime because uh, uh, in the sea there's no hospital or anything that could save us in the
Okay, okay. You know that today we discuss about maritime safety. You know, and just now I informed you that talking about maritime safety, we know in the regulation based on the International Maritime Organization, we know International Safety Management Code or ISO code. And for security affairs, there is the ISPS code. So maybe next we will discuss, we make national or international seminar about maritime safety and security, yeah, on ship or on maritime. And we discuss also how to manage safety and security in Hormuz Strait, yeah. So I do hope that all of you study hard about maritime safety. And next, we form group is group of person and give presentation in English. Okay, you understand? Okay. Next week we'll try to make national or international seminar, and I do hope that all of you participate in our seminar. Okay, thank you so much, and see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.